According to surveys taken, 28% of the world have made money from crypto. We are soon to have immense blockchain adoption, and this is the golden question. Once all world currencies are in, how many more millions can you really make? We must understand the cycle. Every 4 years, the reward for Bitcoin mining is cut in half. This causes higher demand and effect, leading to new highs every cycle. These individual years in between are referred to as seasons. Winter is when it's cold, icy, and depressing. Spring is when depression slowly turns into happiness. Summer is party time. Get ready to pop champagne. Now you're probably wondering, how can we apply these seasons to the markets today? Let's look at history to fully identify where they fall in place. Winter can be referred to as 2018, when prices were extremely low. Spring is 2020. This year corresponds to the Bitcoin halving year. The overall crypto market starts to make an increase, causing a better demeanor with slight happiness in most. Last but not least is summer of 2021. This is when the crypto market starts seeing a huge demand from the halving. A lot of excitement starts roaring on Twitter, which we know as today is X. Everyone's screaming, crypto, buy this, buy that, or we're going to the moon. Then the table flips right back into winter, which is where we are today. However, there are some living with regrets and some that are riding jet skis. Based off you watching this video, I'm assuming you would like to be on a jet ski as well. Not only should you intake the information that we are providing, you should take advantage of what is coming. Crypto is here to save us from these financial disasters. Once you really understand the technology, you will forever be a step ahead of your generation, but not for long if we see a switch sooner. Now that we have your attention, watch this video to understand the true importance of crypto.